Hi guys, Kandi Toy Box here. Today we're going to unbox this bead kit from 1999. I'm going to show you the front here. And this is a pretty large bead kit. I hope there's a lot of beads inside. And it comes in this, this case it's big. A giant plastic case. Ooh, it's got some of those charms in there. It says 1999. And then this is the back. This thing is huge. Well, there's a little tear up here, so we'll just start with this up here. Plastic. And yeah, we do have tape on both sides. Wait a minute. That's not taped. It just has the top part taped. Oh. Okay, so it comes with this little tray. Just paper. With project ideas. Okay. Some earrings. Some jewelry cord. Hardware, more cord, friendship bracelet string, Okay, let's see what we got in here. pony beads. I really like these colors. They're very unique. They're pretty. Oh yes. Got lots of charms in here. All different shapes. Hearts, triangle, star, circle, diamond, square. Those are really cute. Oh, I've had these before. They're like little discs. Or kind of remind me of a spaceship. Those are pretty. So there's a lot of little beads in here. Like, oh my goodness. What's funny is I needed some of these for a project that I bought not too long ago. They're very similar. I mean, the colors are different for sure, but the size. And there's a lot in here. You know what? I think I have a bracelet made with these. I bet it came from this bead kit. That's so neat. Cute little flowers. I can add these to my other flowers I have. These are really pretty. And then this bag, oh my gosh, this is the biggest one of them all. Those are so tiny. These would be good for rings. Probably will make a lot of little rings in the future. I mean, of course you could use them for a bracelet too, but there's so many different colors. Here, I'm going to lay these out so you can get a better... I would normally take them out, but there's so many that are so tiny. I'm going to have to get a bead kit for these. But yeah, there's quite a bit of beads, for sure. And I think these beads are my favorite, and these. I just really like how unique the shades are in this. And then there's the hardware and the string. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you guys next time.